Hi, my name is Hope and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be unboxing the new Halloween mystery boxes plus a few mirrors. But before I do, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, this first mirror is a cleaver mirror. And it's similar to that white one with the blood spatter, only it's this black with green. And then here's the Friday the 13th black cat mirror. Alright, in the first box we have a liquid lip in red rum, a special Halloween liquid lip in spooky makeover. We have another special edition in wrong turn. They're both berry ones. I checked them out before. Okay. We have some singles in Cherry Wet, Open Range, Persuasion, Black Card Limit, Jaded, and we have some Halloween socks. We have a Weirdo palette. We have a regular mascara, the Jeffree Star approved. We also have a Velvet Trap in Gravedigger. We have a liquid lip in Designer Blood. We have, another single in Gumdrop. Another liquid one in Deceased. We have an eyegloss in Crystal Joint. I don't have that one. And we have another one in Wyoming Window, which I don't think I have. And then another special edition item is this silver and white blood-stained wallet. Maybe just hold, like, cards or something, because it's not very big, but it's cute. Okay, next box. Alright, second box. We have a Velvet Trap in Communion Wine. Another special edition liquid lip in Malicious Kisses. This one I also looked at. It's like kind of a black with a bronzy metallic, yet some other stuff mixed into it. And then we have another exclusive item in Halloween Nudity. We have a liquid star shadow in Beyond the Veil. We have some more croc buttons. Another Velvet Trap in Red Affair. We have some singles in Obituary, Bubblegum, Owl Eyes, Winter Wind, Cherry Soda. I have another Jaded, like I had in the last box. Weirdo. And Make It Rain. We also have the Liquid Lip Threesome Minis Halloween Edition in Coffin Blood, Pumpkin Fantasy, and Halloween Orgy. So it looks like it's a purple, a black, and an orange, possibly. Unless Coffin Blood's more of a dark red of some sort. Can't really tell. We have another eyeglass in Voyeurism, Not sure if I got that in the last mystery boxes or not. We have a lavender lemonade sleep mist, a banana edition of the Fuck Proof mascara and periwinkle sprinkle. I mean, I say banana collection because, you know, it's the yellow box, but then we have a Beauty Killer 2 palette, cremated palette. And then we have an exclusive Skin Frost. I'm gonna open that up. It's called Icy Execution. And this is what it looks like. And I already kind of swatched it, and it'll turn kind of like, you know, blush, pinky blush, kind of like, you know, I don't know if you want to say death or, I don't know, something, but it's great. And then, last but not least, is a orange cleaver mirror. And that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching.